So, we spoke about inability to attract new clients. But I guess also critical for this digital transformation will be things like understanding the customer. Around 1 in 4 respondents to a recent survey of SMEs that we did indicated that. Employee engagement is also right up there. And I think the third aspect that's become even more important when you have a dispersed or remote workforce is clear communications. Communications that doesn't lose the side of it that is communal in some respects, consensus in some respects, but also giving confidence into the employees in that the organization really knows where it's headed.
Yeah, absolutely. There's been a big trust aspect from employees and their employer, really, hasn't there? We need to make sure everyone's on clear path when we're working with these hybrid models now.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we're entering a new world of trust. I think it's not just employees trusting their employers and customers, importantly, trusting their suppliers online, but also in the other direction as well. Looking at how businesses can build trust and their approaches to privacy are going to become more and more important going forward in terms of what consumers think. We just have to look at some of the challenges that some of the larger tech companies have around privacy and with things like cookies and indeed challenges with social networking. It's one of those areas where I think businesses that can align to technology players who provide confidence to the customers around their privacy are likely to succeed in the market more so than others.
Yeah, and do you think that with this increased adoption of cloud technology, do you think that we're starting to see more businesses and even individuals have a greater trust in cloud platforms, or how do you see that that's kind of shifted in the last few years?
Look, I think it goes without saying that we're seeing a massive increase in adoption and understanding of what cloud services are across all types of businesses. I think, if you look at the tools that are out there, they've become a lot easier to use and they're proving themselves. We're not seeing massive breaches or indeed massive downtime. Two of the big challenges that were, put up front when it came initially to cloud software. So I think things are looking good for the cloud software space. And I think one of the other aspects to it that is really resonating in this day and age with consumers, but also small businesses, is the pay-as-you-go approach and the lack of, lock-in that some technology vendors have when it comes to their approach.